Welcome back, everybody. This is Abram with Extreme Auto Detailing. I'm coming back to you guys today to deliver you another video on another product that is one of my favorites. Okay, I've been detailing since 2014. 4 years. I've been in the business for 4 years. This year I slowed down a lot. I haven't been taking in many cars. As you can see, I also slowed down on making videos. But all this is going to change, God willing. But before we get started, I want to remind you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and share this video on other social media platforms, Facebook groups, wherever. Share this video, please. And if we get enough thumbs up, we'll do another video. And if we don't, I'm still going to do another video. So again, I'm Abram with the Extreme Auto Detailing. Today I'm going to show you this product. This product is very versatile, okay? You can use this product. The reason I love this product is because you can use it on the paint, you can use it on the wheels, the tires, you can use it on all the windows, you can even use it to clean your leather seats, you can even use it to clean all your dashboards and plastics. This product can be used for everything. I've used this product for quick detailers. I've used it for paint prep, which strips the wax off your paint so you can put a new coating on. I've used it as rinseless wash, waterless wash, and clay lubricant. I've used this product in many different ways, and this is one reason why I love this product. It is one of the most useful, versatile products ever, and you can never go wrong with this product. And if you may have guessed by now, this product is none other than a McKees 37 product. Okay. Now, I'm not saying that every McKees 37 product is going to be perfect. I've tested quite a bit of their products, and I still need to do other reviews on it. But the first time Nick Rudder from McKees 37 sent me this product, he sent it in the, sorry guys, I'm sweating. He sent it in a little bottle, and I loved it so much that I had to place an order for the big gallons, okay? Now this product, guys, is very versatile, like I said, and it's from McKees 37. See, guys, here's what it is, okay? McKees 37 rinseless wash, okay? I don't know if you saw down here. Not only can you use this as a rinseless wash, you can also use it as a waterless wash. Like I said, you can also use it as a clay lubricant, as I said before. You can also use it as a paint prepper, okay? Now, rinseless wash, I usually put 1.25 ounces to 2 gallons. Okay, that's what I use. 1 ounce of product to 2 gallons of water. I've also used it as a waterless wash. I've used it at 1 ounce to 1 gallon. But since I mix it up in the 32-ounce bottle, I do it as 1/4 ounce to 32 ounces or so. It doesn't take very much product. Maybe just a little bit, maybe no more than 1/2 ounce, okay? To 32 ounce or so. As a clay lubricant, 1 gallon to 1 ounce to 1 gallon. Or you can mix it, like I said before. If you're going to use it as a clay lubricant, I'll probably do 1/2 ounce or 1/4 ounce to 32 ounces. Hope I'm not confusing you guys. And I've also used it as a paint prep. In a 32 ounce, you're going to do 4 ounces to 30. Well, yeah, it's 1 to 8. So that's what it is. It's going to be about 4 ounces of product, rest filled up on water. Okay. And as I said before, I've used this product in many different ways. It's very versatile. Now, this product is a little bit more expensive than the competition of O&R, Optimum No Rinse, but it is well worth it. I've been using this as a window cleaner. I've been using this as a rinseless wash, waterless wash, and it's been 1 year, and I still have this much product left. Now, you know, you can also take into consideration that, like I said, I slowed down on detailing this year, but this product you cannot go wrong with. It is about $49 a gallon. $49 a gallon. But if you want to have a product that is going to do what it says it's supposed to do, and if you want a product that there is great customer service behind it, You cannot go wrong with McKee's 37. This is one of the greatest products that I've used. Also, check out my other previous video. It's another McKee's 37. I'm going to put that little box up here that tells you click here for this video, or it's going to be across the screen at the very end, so stay tuned for that. But check out those other videos. Also, I have other videos where I teach you how to detail. I give you tips and tricks of the trade. And I plan on making more videos, so be sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay golden. Till next time.